Hi there. I'm really excited to introduce new React Native 3-day workshop that I will be doing with React and GraphQL Academy. In this workshop, we will start with on the first day with the fundamentals of React Native. Assuming you have React knowledge, we will learn different things: how to start from scratch, how to develop React Native apps for both iOS and Android, how to style them, create navigations, use specific platform APIs, and in general understanding React Native ecosystem in terms of best packages, various solutions to different problems, and so on. After you finish the first day, you will be able to get more into intermediate parts of the workshop. You will understand different debugging techniques and which are most effective, efficient. We will learn how to interact with external APIs over the network, persist local data, create really awesome animations with React Native APIs, helper libraries, and so on. We will even implement basic gestures interactions. And in the end of the second day, we'll learn how to test our React Native apps and deploy them across the air by passing App Store and Google Play reviews after initial deployment. On the third day, we will dig more into advanced parts of React Native. We will talk about best practices to scale your apps. We will introduce theming options for your apps to change styles based on different logic that you define. We will also learn more advanced animation techniques and more performant animations running on the native side. And we will improve all our animations across the board. We will also create way more complex navigation workflows than on the first day by writing custom navigators for your apps. We will even write native modules in Objective-C or Android, Java, and we will learn how to bridge them into React Native JavaScript side. In the process of writing our native models, we obviously will learn how to debug our native code as well as our JavaScript code. And for the final touch, we will learn how to implement storybook workflow to leverage technique called component-driven development to sort of have an interactive style guide of your app. So as you can see, this workshop covers pretty much everything you need to learn to start writing React Native apps with the best practices, performance in mind, and also being able to bridge into native world of iOS or Android development, while still having all the benefits of React Native ecosystem of NPM package manager and development in React. So grab your ticket, and I will see you at the workshop.